Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Tutorials by David, and in this video you will learn about the Citi Secured Credit Card, and now let's review it. So first of all, this card is a solid choice for individual aiming to build or rebuild their credit in 2025 with a $0 annual fee and a refundable security deposit ranging $200 to $2,500. It offers an accessible entry point into the world of credit. The card reports to all three major bureaus, providing an opportunity to establish a positive credit history. However, it's important to note that the Citi Secured Mastercard does not offer rewards, and there is no clear pathway to transition to an unsecured card. Additionally, the card carries a relatively high APR, which means could also mean a 3% foreign transaction fee, so it's not free. While it serves as a useful tool for credit building, those seeking rewards or a clear upgrade path may want to consider alternative secured cards.